Today we are opening up a Dawn of Ashes Prelude starter kit. This is from the Grand Archive TCG. This is from the Kickstarter back in 2023, I think was when we received the rewards. But got a little Lorraine and Rye action going on here. These starter decks have increasingly gone up in value. Just due to the fact of the playable cards inside. Let's go ahead and open one up. I was attempting to do a live break today, but I guess YouTube didn't like my small channelness that I got going on here. So, if you're watching this, help me out. Subscribe. Grand Archive all day. We're out here. Let's go. And we're also, I think, just a couple days out from the Worlds event. Oh, that plastic was really hard to get off. Okay, let's open it up. The quality on the Grand Archive cards is phenomenal. I cannot reiterate that enough. The quality is top notch. More than you would see in Pokemon. It is amazing. So we have a Lorraine Wandering Warrior starter deck. We have a Rye Spellcrafter starter deck. And we have three. Oh no, four! Four Dawn of Ashes Prelude Kickstarter exclusive packs. So I think I don't know what this is. Oh, these must be the level 3s that come with it. Okay, don't need that anymore. Cool. Well, let's go ahead and start off with Lorraine Wandering Warrior. These cards have these decks have the Dungeon Guide cards in them, 2 in each deck, and I think that is what makes these decks so valuable. Okay, so we got Lorraine, Spirit of Wind, Lorraine Blade Master, Crux Knight. You have the materia cards. Again, beautiful artwork. Just the quality too is just amazing. Oh, there we go. Dungeon Guide number 1. Dungeon Guide number 2. Alright, we have the Honorable Vanguards. Some Weaponsmith. Dream Fairies. Those are always fun to deal with. Yeah, I was trying to get my stream set up for LiveStream, and YouTube basically said, hey, you don't have 50 subscribers. We don't want you to LiveStream. I said, oh no. Unfortunate. Well, off to go get my friends in the Grand Archive community to come support me. So we can do more live unboxings. Yep. Okay, there's Lorraine. The 2 dungeon guides. Again, little shout out. This is a purchase actually from somebody in the Grand Archive Discord channel. Opening this up for them. If you are interested in opening other product, message me. Let me know what you'd like to open up. I'm pretty active in Discord, so this is Mr. Rye. There they are. Dungeon guides. Those are about $20 to $25 a pop on TCG Player. In the Discord, you may find them, in the Grand Archive Discord, you may find them a little bit cheaper, but the going rate is about 20 bucks. Yeah, when I first kickstarted this, I was just very impressed by some of the artwork they had originally. And believe it or not, it wasn't until just recently I did some of the print and play, but to be honest, I printed it out. I didn't even really fully play a game. But until recently, I actually played a game at our locals, and I was so impressed with the gameplay. Fell in love with it. I was a huge Flesh and Blood fan, and I didn't realize that Grand Archive was so competitive. Anyway, we're getting started now with our Kickstarter exclusive packs. Bring these up. See what kind of goodies we got. Oh, let's see what. So common, uncommons, rares, super rares. Let's see if we get a Gildas. Oh, okay. A lot of letter. Okay. Where the scissors at? Where the scissors at? Okay. Wonderful. Blazing Throw, Idle Thoughts, Opening Cut, Alphamire, Reckless Slash, Furbish, Spurn to Ash, Fairy Whispers, and a Spirit Blade Dispersion. There. Okay. Starting with our next pack. See if we can get this one a little bit more smoothly. When we have the release of Mercurial Hearts in about a week from now. Super excited about that. That set looks like it's gonna be fire. Rage Boars, Tactical Sergeant, Combo Strike, and Nemu Curse Touch, Secret Rare. Two packs now. Trained Hawk, Conceal, Burning Breeze, Training Session, Sparkle Light, Furbish, Reckless Researcher, Anger the Skies, Scattering Gusts. Alright, now on to our last pack. Again, if you have not played Grand Archive, I would highly recommend picking up one of the starter decks and playing, because the gameplay is phenomenal. Grey Wolf, Fairy Whispers, awesome card, very playable. And ooh, another dungeon guide. Kickstarter exclusive dungeon guide. Very good hit. Very, very good hit. Congratulations. Wow. That is 5 dungeon guides in this. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's in here. This is, how do we open this? Scissors, anyone? Anybody have any scissors? Pop it open. No, I'm not gonna pop it open. Doesn't want to cooperate. Give me a moment. Alright. Got it open. Okay. Sylvie, Xander, Flute Taming, Orb of Choking Fumes, ooh, Secret Rare, Caliburn of Silencing, and Seed of Nature. Very nice. Very, very nice. Perfect. Well, that is the unboxing of the Grand Archive Prelude Starter Kit. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like this video. Let's get to 50 subscribers so we can start doing some live stream shenanigans. All right, everybody. Take care.